Here's a tour of some chickens. That's Guido the rooster. Hello, Guido. Here's the main group. Now hopefully we can see there's a whole bunch of new chicks out here. And these chicks just hatched. There's like 8 of them. See them? And that's the mama back there. There's like 9 of them. She went off in the woods, I think, and hatched them because we didn't even see the eggs. See, little peeps? Hello there. That one's about 6 weeks old. There's another rooster with some more hens. Here's a close-up view of some of these guys. The motley crew. That's Big Fella. He's our prime rooster. Right, Big Fella? And his girls. And there's our owl. And that little banty rooster. He's got a big set of lungs on him. And there's some silkies. And see if we can get a look at these babies over here hiding in the bushes. There's some raspberry bushes here and they like that a lot. And you can hear them, but they're in there. Anyway, there you go.